Would you like some help taking your cards to the next level? This video has one rule to follow to help you improve your cards. Welcome, welcome, my crafty friends. I'm Dawn, creator of DD Creates Crafts, and this is the channel for simple cards, helpful hints, and duplicatable projects you'll be able to make just from watching one of my videos. Are you ready to create some crafts? I'm going to turn the camera down now, and we will get started. I'm hoping, let me move you over a little bit. All right, this is the cardstock we're going to use today, the designer series paper. If you notice, there is the pretty print side and then there is the black and white side. But boy, oh boy, have I got some magic tricks for you to bringing this black and white pattern paper up to the high quality, gorgeous, fun colored side of the pattern paper. And I did just that. Here's a brief commercial. Go to the community button and look at it because I've introduced the monthly mini retreat kits with cards. This particular month there are, here it is, 5 designs. You will make 10 cards, 5 designs with these mini note cards, which are 5 by 3.5. And we're going to use this paper I talked about, the Rustic Harvest, and you're also going to get some twine, and you're also going to get some baling. Full-size packages. So you'll get 6 by 6 size of the 12 by 12 pattern paper. You'll get a full-size package of bling, full-size package of the baker's twine, plus enough of the thingamabobbies, note cards, these craft note cards and envelopes to make the 10 cards, 5 designs. So that's my commercial. Go to the community page, and then what I have you do is email me for the PayPal link. So that registration opens, I believe, October 31. Today's video is going to teach you the rule of 1/3. We've all heard it. It's a little complicated. Why do I even mess with it? Why do I need it? Well, what I'd like to do is show you how to make a tool to set you up for success with this rule. So the first thing I want you to do is get either a piece of acetate or a piece of vellum. Now, I found my acetate in a package of a brand new stamp set. So just take it out, and instead of throwing it away, we're going to use it. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to cut your acetate to 5.5 by 4.25, which is what? Basically the same size as an A2 card. Then what we're going to do is, here's your measurements. Along the short side, so that'll be this side, we are going to draw the first line at 1 3/8 and the second line at 2 7/8. And I just used a Sharpie pen to do this. Then you're going to turn it to the long side this way, and you're going to draw your line at 1 7/8 and 3 5/8. Now, to help you with all these crazy 8th type measurements, go to DawnDavis1.stampinup.net and then go to my projects till you see the picture of this, and you'll be able to print this handy dandy ruler absolutely free, and it will totally help you. You can see how bent mine is. Mine stays on my craft table. So this is your second tool, and I'll put a PDF of this up as well. But I want you to see the grid, want you to see it, want you to make you one out of either vellum or acetate. So that is the first tool, that is how to make it for your rule of 1/3 tool. So, are you having fun? If you are, or if you've learned something, which I think you did, I want you to go boop and hit the like button, because that shows YouTube that you want more crafters to see my channel, and I thank you for that. Now, let's put this into practice, you guys. Here is, I've already set it up, and this is some of the paper from the Rustic Harvest. It's actually this one where I have colored it with the blending brushes and just my ink pads to create that beautiful fall coloring of the leaves. So that is my background layer. Then I put a layer behind that, and then I've got my base A2 card. So let's get down to some of the rules of using the rule. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my it's a cheat sheet basically, but the little grid tool, the 1/3 tool, I've had you make. And let's see where we should put our goodies. I have made us a embellishment and I've made a sentiment. Again, the embellishment, let me show you what I did there. On this piece of paper right here, you see the pumpkin's pretty, but mine's prettier because I colored it, you guys. And I'm gonna show you how to do all that with the class, with the video, with the mini retreat that I'm offering for November. So here's what we're gonna do with our grid. You know how most of us slap everything in the middle? That's fine and good, but I promised you I would help you take your cards to the next level. So the secret for success is to stay on the lines. Stay on the lines, and best of all, stay on an intersecting line. So let's put our fun part, the embellishment, the decoration, the focal point. Pretend we only had the sentiment. We're going to put it on one of the intersecting lines. So this one, we could put it here, we could put it here to prove my point. And then what we're going to do, so say I do here, let's test and put our sentiment on one of the lines versus, hey, we'll do this, hey, we'll slap it up here. Look how your eye just flows when your main focal point is on an intersecting lines, and then your sentiment is also on a line. Now, does this work horizontally? Let's test that theory. So let's put our focal point on the intersecting lines, and let's put our, I can actually this way, this direction, horizontally, put the sentiment on intersecting lines as well. I haven't glued it down yet. Plum spins. But you get my point. And the products I'm sharing with you are Stampin' Up! Products. One, they are my products of choice. But two, and one of the reasons I even started DD Creates Crafts channel is to introduce you to me. Introduce you to Stampin' Up! Products like the Rustic Harvest 12 by 12 pattern paper. Then I want to show you how to use the products you order with simple cards and projects like we're doing today. So the links for the products will be used that I'm using in this video are going to be below in the description section. And when you order these products, like, do I need to say it again, the Rustic Harvest Designer Series paper, when you order these products, it helps support this channel. Plus, you're going to get thank you gifts from me. And this month, you can get, and you'll see it in the description section, you can get a card class absolutely free. 4 card kits plus envelopes, absolutely free. All right, now we're testing out our tool with our base. Let me just give you a couple layers, you guys. The A2 base is 5.5 by 8.5, and then just fold that in half. Your layer is 5 1/4 by 4, and then my Designer Series paper border that we colored, I blended, is 5 by 3 3/4. And then I've simply die cut a label for the sentiment, and then gone from there. So let's go ahead. I'm going to take off all my little cellophane from the dimensionals, and we're going to get rocking and rolling and actually go ahead and adhere down the little pretty. And I just fussy cut the pumpkin after I colored it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it back vertical, and I want it here. So I'm lining this up, I'm putting it there, removing it, and putting it down. So let's do it again with our sentiment. This sentiment, if you're in love with it, is, hold on, I can't chew gum and walk at the same time, so I have to pause while I take my cellophane off. This is from Framed Florets. Framed Florets. This sentiment, beautiful sentiments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentiments. Now you can't order this today. It's not even for sale yet, and it has matching dies. Stunning. all of these I have used with the kit I just showed you, the November monthly mini retreat. Now, if you choose instead this month to join my team, you can add this bundle to your kit. The kit, you're gonna choose this month only, extra free stuff. You're gonna choose $155 worth of products, and then you're gonna pay $99 and a little bit of sales tax. Free shipping. What? So big bang for your buck if I can tempt you to go ahead and join my team this month, because this you can add to your cart early. And how do I have it? It's not even for sale yet because I'm a demonstrator. And when you're a demonstrator, you get to get your hands on stuff like this early. We get to pre-order it early. Now it's going to be available to the public November 1, and then it's going to be in the new January catalog. So I'm going to line this up and put that down. Let me turn around, make sure I'm straight as an arrow here. There I go. And our little leaf right there, that is part of the dies for that particular bundle. So I hope I've tempted you to join my team, and you can be a hobby person, never sell a thing and just get a discount forever. Or you can do like me and do some part-time. Most demonstrators do not do videos, so don't let that intimidate you. You never in your lifetime have to do a video. That's something I enjoy, and I did prior to Stampin' Up. So, can you see? Can you see? We've got our embellishment on the intersection, then we've got our sentiment on one of the lines, and this is your rule of 1/3. It's a little difficult to do and remember and execute without the tool. So your takeaway and today's technique is to make you one of these tools. And for more videos like this one, all you need to do is what? Subscribe, and go ahead and do that while it's fresh on your mind, because I want you to be able to find me again. Okay, I'm going to turn you up now so we can say our goodbyes. And I want you to remember 3 things. I want you to remember to subscribe. I want you to remember to like this video. And I want you to remember to go to the playlist and look for the title Techniques. So you're going to find more videos just like this with great techniques to improve your card making skills on that playlist. So what was I going to remind you? The playlist, the like, the this, the that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to leave a comment. I want you to tell me, are you going to make it? Let me put it this way. Are you going to make this tool? Are you going to make it? That's what you're going to tell me in the comments section, and then let me know down the road if it's helpful for you. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll be back with another video on Friday. Bye now.